Hello, my name is Darrin Mish, and I'm a tax attorney with an international tax practice based in Tampa, Florida. Almost every day on our website and on our blog, we get emails from people relating their traumatic experiences with the IRS, and so I thought I'd take this opportunity to go ahead and read one of those here today, and then I'll let you know what my comments are about it. It goes like this. Everyone has heard some type of horror story regarding the Internal Revenue Service, yet I never realized how traumatic IRS troubles can actually be until it happened to our family. Here's our story. About 5 years ago, my husband and I filed a normal tax return in March and claimed our 2 children, as we always had, since their birth. Luckily, we received a refund of approximately $2,500 about 2 weeks later. The refund was deposited into our checking account, and we used the money to pay off 2 lingering credit cards in our meager attempt to stay out of debt. About 3 months after receiving our refund, we received a note from the IRS claiming we had claimed a child who could be claimed on someone else's tax return. Shocked at the mistake, we quickly placed a phone call to our local IRS office to try to uncover the reason behind the letter. The agent told us we were being audited because we had claimed our child and someone else had also claimed our child as well, using the same Social Security number. A hold was placed on our checking account for the amount of the refund until the audit was completed. This caused our account to be negative, and the funds were not available to pay for our checks and other debits. Needless to say, the ordeal was embarrassing, considering we had never bounced a check. The audit took about 2 months to complete. In the end, we received our refund again after the IRS found the mistake. And as it turns out, the mistake was as simple as someone entering an incorrect digit in a Social Security number. Before the audit was finished, we had to open up another account at another banking institution. The hold on our account left us owing numerous charges which the IRS initially refused to pay for. Our experience with the Internal Revenue Service was traumatic, to say the least. Since our ordeal, we never spent our refund for at least 4 months after receiving it. The IRS is disorganized and unapologetic when they make mistakes. I truly feel bad for those who have a problem with this organization. Expect a bumpy ride. That type of story is not all that uncommon in my experience, especially when you're dealing with taxpayers who are eligible for what is known as the Earned Income Tax Credit. In this situation, what the couple experienced was most likely another tax preparer preparing someone else's return entirely simply entered the wrong Social Security number in on that taxpayer's return. I can guarantee you that that taxpayer had a problem here as well. That goes to show you that you need to check your tax returns very carefully before they're submitted.